If you've ever seriously wondered whether it's possible to live not just longer, but to remain physically active, mentally sharp, and biologically strong even at 100 or beyond, up to 125, the answer from science is clear. It is not guaranteed, but it is a realistic possibility. What determines this outcome is not luck and not even genetics alone, but how consistently you support the core biological systems that govern aging. And this is where most people fail, not because they don't know what to do, but because they don't understand why it matters at a deeper level. Let's break that down. When you shift from highly processed foods to whole, natural, nutrient-dense foods, you are not just eating healthier, you are actively reducing cellular damage, which is one of the primary drivers of aging. These foods provide antioxidants and micronutrients that help your cells repair, regenerate, and function efficiently. Now combine that with continuous daily movement, not just structured exercise, but a lifestyle that minimizes prolonged sitting. This keeps your metabolism active, improves circulation, and prevents insulin resistance. And this is where most modern lifestyles completely break down. Deep, circadian-aligned sleep is when your body performs its most critical maintenance functions: hormonal regulation, brain detoxification, and tissue repair. Without it, even the best diet and exercise plan lose effectiveness. In parallel, time-restricted eating activates cellular repair pathways, especially autophagy, where damaged components are recycled. Now here's something most people ignore. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, increases inflammation, and accelerates biological aging. But when you regulate stress through breathing, mindfulness, or time in nature, you shift your body back into repair mode. Anti-inflammatory nutrition, especially omega-3s, protects your heart and brain, and gut health supported by fermented foods directly influences immunity, metabolism, and even mental clarity. Even small habits like walking after meals stabilize blood sugar and reduce long-term metabolic stress. And then there are the hidden indicators. Waist circumference reflects visceral fat, which accelerates internal inflammation. And perhaps most underrated, purpose and social connection. People who have a reason to wake up and strong relationships consistently live longer and healthier lives. When you step back and look at the full picture, so living up to 125 years is not about chasing a miracle. It's about aligning your daily decisions with how your biology is designed to function. Because in the end, it's not just about how long you live, but how well your body sustains you over time.